What you got there? What is that?
What's this?
A packet.
From who?
Nana.
And?
Poppy.
Alright, let's open it.
Okay.
Okay, careful, watch your fingers.
I don't know what this is.
Very well wrapped. Let's see. Watch your fingers. Okay. Oh, I know somebody who likes twirly skirts.
Me.
What's that? Wow. A purple leaf. What do you
I
think?
want to try it on. It looks very pretty.
Can you say thank you to Nana and Poppy?
Thank you.
Go like this. Mwah. So you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, which is your favorite?
The jacket.
The jacket? What about the twirly skirt? Okay, let's see a little twirl.
Okay.
Oh, it's very twirly.
And the jacket.
Very nice.
Need some help?
No.